talagang Bratinella to the max, no?
Defeated.
Medyo mahina yata ang tenga ni Vice President eh. And I do not care even if she is the Vice President.
Defeated.
Rodrigo, ikaw ay kakainin ko sa debate.
Defeated. Defeated. Defeated.
Wait to be acknowledged before you speak.
Yes, ma'am.
Defeated.
Oh, ang bigat nito, 35 million, 11 days.
Defeated.
Mr. Chair, yes or no? Davao style.
Do not ask me to answer yes or no. You are not an investigator.
Defeated.
Di sana tumakbo siya.
Defeated.
Ay sisisi mo kagaral? To asak dahig!
Defeated. Only fools challenge the eagles just to become